Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a number lore surprise fold. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today.
Now to start off with our number lore surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line it up again, giving it another nice fold down the middle, so it kind of looks like a bookmark. When you open this up, you have these nice little guidelines that show you where you want to keep the inside of your drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for that fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin by drawing number 7. So let's make the eye. I'm going to begin right about here, and what we're going to do is we're going to make like a diagonal line. We'll make this line come down and this line come down. Then we're going to bring this line up here. Let's make a line in here for the eyelid. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to go over and up. So he looks kind of angry. Now, starting right here, let's bring this line over. And then we're going to bring this down. Then we're going to put the other eye over here. So I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down. We're going to make another angry eyelid. And then we're going to make a line right here. Now, starting here, let's bring this line down. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come down here. And then let's go over. We're going to curve this line down. We're going to come across. Then we're going to bring this up to about here. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to go over. It's going to come up, and then it's going to come back over. Now, starting here, let's make a line that's going to come across to about here. Then we're going to bring this down. Then we're just going to make this line come across for the mouth. Next, I'm going to start here, and we're going to draw over the fold. We're going to come up. Then we're going to go down. We're going to come up and down. And then we're going to go back up and then down to this corner here. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open this up, we have 2 halves of our number 7. So let's begin right here. So I'm going to start right here, and let's just connect this line all the way down to here. So it looks like his mouth is really open. Then let's go ahead and connect this line down here. Then we're going to make the teeth. I'm going to start by making this one kind of long. It's going to come up and then down. Then we're going to make this one go down and up. Down and up, and we'll make this one go down and up. We're going to make this one come up and down with a point, up and down, and then up and down. And we got this little one here. We'll just bring this up and over here. An extra tooth, but just kind of makes it fit. Now, let's go ahead and draw some of the numbers in here. Let's start off with number 1. So I'm going to begin by making a small little square shape for the eye. You can see I kind of rounded the corners. We'll make a little line across, and then we'll make a little rectangle shape in there. Let's draw a little line down. Then we're going to make a little line that's just going to come over to here and then down for part of the mouth. Let's go over, down, and then bring it to here. We'll go up and then back in. We'll bring this up with a small bump. And then we'll go up and down here. And then bring it back to here. Now let's draw number 2. I'm going to make a little square shape for an eye. And then we'll make another little square shape up here. We'll make 2 kind of little square shapes in here for the pupils. I'm going to go down and then put a little bump here. Then I'm going to curve this up. I'm going to go down. We're going to come down here and then back. We'll make a little curve. And then we'll make another curve that comes down here. Bring this over, make a small bump and down. A line here for the teeth. And we're going to go in and out with a small line right there to kind of finish off the teeth. Now for number 3 right here, let's make a square eye again. And then we'll make another little square eye kind of above it. We'll make 2 lines. And then 2 little squares for the pupils. We're going to make a line that's going to curve out with 1, 2, and 3 little bumps, and we're going to bring this back here. We'll curve this in. And then right here, we're going to bring this down, around, and then up to here. I'm going to bring this around and curve it around to here. I'll make 2 little bumps here, and then a little triangle shape here for the teeth on there. Now let's make number 4 over here. So I'm going to begin with a square eye. Then I'm going to make a rectangle that goes up, over, and then down. We'll make a little line that's going to curve out and come back. We're going to go in and down. I'm going to make a little bump here. And then let's come back up. We'll go over and bring this up. Then I'm going to come down, down, and then in. We'll make another little square shape here. Then we'll make a square pupil and a square pupil. We'll draw a line down, a line across, and a couple lines for some teeth. Now for number 5, let's make a little square shape here. We're going to go up and bring it to here and then come down. We're going to bring this back into a smile. Then we're going to curve this around. We'll go up and then we'll curve this back around to here. We'll make a little square shape. And then we'll do a little pupil and a little pupil. Now finally, let's finish this off with number 6. So we're going to do a square shape for the eye. We'll make a line across and then a square shape for the pupil. We're going to curve this around to here. And put a little oval shape in there. Let's bring this up and down. Then we'll kind of follow that curve and bring it to here. We'll make a square shape here. A line here and another little line for the pupil. And there you go, there's your drawing of a number lore surprise fold.
When we have it all folded up, we've got number 7 looking all angry, and then when we open it, he's trying to eat the numbers 1 through 6.
I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.